Hi viewers, in this video I will show you how to find hotspot password on Android device. It will help you. So let's get started. Go to your phone settings and follow my step. Scroll down, click on connections. Scroll down, click on mobile hotspot and tethering. Click on mobile hotspot. Now then, we can easily find mobile hotspots name and password. By doing this process, you can find hotspot password and Android device. Thank you. If you like the video, subscribe and stay with us.